Okay, what if the question is 2x plus 3y raised to the power of 3? So what we need to do is to have this one, then example 1, 3, 3, 1. Then we have, let's assume that we're gonna use a plus b. So it's like a squared, a cubed plus a squared plus a plus a to the power of 0, which is 1. Then we have b to the power of 1, b to the power of 2, and b to the power of 3. Remember here, b is to the power of 0. So we're gonna erase the 1 coefficients. Then, now, substitute a with 2x. So a becomes 2x. Then substitute b with positive 3y. If it is negative 3y, then substitute it with negative 3y as well. Plus 3 times 2x times 3y squared plus 3y to the power of 3. So the answer should be 2 to the power of 3 is 8, x to the power of 3 is x to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, x to the power of 2 is x squared, times 12x squared times 3y. So 12x squared times 3y is 36x squared y. Then plus we have 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 2, 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 9, 54, because it's easier to do that one. We have y times y, y squared, then times x, so we have xy squared. Then for the last term, we have 3 to the power of 3 is 27, y to the power of 3 is still y to the power of 3. So this would be the final answer.